What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to How to Smartphones unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Just received this bad boy in the mail, and let's go ahead and get our paws on it, take a look, see what we have. So first, we're just going to take a quick look at the packaging. S10 here at on the top. It's got like a little bit of a hologram to it, a little bit of a shine. As far as the box, Samsung Galaxy S10 here on the side, some branding. Top is empty. Again, we just have a little sticker there to open up, and then some of the information, made in Korea, that sort of stuff. Samsung, unlocked by Samsung. So this phone is the unlocked version. I got the 128 gig Samsung Galaxy S10. So let's go ahead, take a look, open this guy up, and just like that, on the back side we have some more branding, Samsung. I believe that might be some reading information, which it appears to be. Let's go ahead and get that out of there. Okay, it's not coming out of there. Have to mess with that later. Next, we have the phone itself. So there we have it. As you guys can see, there's a camera right up here, top left. No buttons of any kind anywhere else. That's pretty cool. Taking a look at the back, reminds me a little bit of the Note that came out. And it's got that kind of raised edge on the back with like that square, rounded over corner square type look. It's got a little bit of Samsung branding there, Galaxy S10 on the bottom, and the typical battery stuff on the bottom below that. So taking a quick look, there is a button here on the right side. I believe that to be the power button. Take a look. Once again, there's a little for the UV, for the little sensors and the things up there. There is a SIM tray, what appears to be a SIM tray slot up on the top. Got the volume up, down, and the famous or infamous Bixby button. As we take a look at the bottom, the headphone jack hasn't gone anywhere, still there. We have the charging port, a microphone, and a speaker area. Once again, camera, sensors, everything like that, flash, all that good stuff. Let's see what else we have coming in the package. Here we have what looks to be like the charger. Let's go ahead, open this guy up. Packaged nice and safely. So there it is, charger, a regular charger, the Type-C that they've been going with. So there's that. The wall plug doesn't have the regular film over it. There's a little adapter to USB. So there's that. The headphones. Let's take a look at these guys. So this phone, when I bought it, there was a free promotion to getting the Galaxy Pods or whatever they call them, the little wireless headphones. Those won't be arriving till later on. I was hoping they'd come together, but they didn't. So here we go. Just a regular pods. There is a little adjuster for bigger, smaller ears, and then I believe the medium ones are on already. AKG look very similar to what was with the Note. Packaged a little differently, but same thing. We got our volume up, down, microphone, everything down here. Looks very similar to the one that came with the Note, like I mentioned before. AKG, there's I believe a slight difference in the color combo, but everything else looks about the same. So let's go ahead and take a look back here. Try to get this information once again. See if we're able to get that out. Two and a half hours later, there it is. Was able to get it out. A SIM eject card there. Go ahead, pop this guy open, see what else is in here. And it looks like everything is sealed. It comes sealed, glued on, like just being on flaps like it used to be. Just some manuals here. Let's open these guys. Pre-installed screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for the use of all screen functions. Well, that's cool. Comes with an already existing screen protector. I did not know that. I'll have to keep that in mind. And just some of the more paperwork, things like that, terms and conditions. So let's go ahead and take a look at this again. Yes, it does appear that there is a screen protector. So all you guys that just get your phones and you're unboxing them or opening them up, don't peel off the sticker on the front because it is a stock screen protector. The back one has the flap, so that can come off. And then the sides as well, they got little stickers, those can come off. And this to me is all the fun in unboxing, is taking all this stuff off. Sometimes it's a hassle, but it's just nice to get that peel feel of just that satisfying feeling of it the sticker coming off in your hands. Makes a little bit of a whining sound as it comes off. This is kind of the more painful part, is getting it started, but once it gets going, good. It's just downhill from there. So there we have it. Screen protector on the front. Got all the stickers peeled off. This is my unboxing videos. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you guys like to see, what I mainly do here is tutorial videos. If you guys like to see the tutorials, everything else, go ahead and check out my channel. As I go, I'm going to be posting different tutorials, guides, things like that. So check those out. There will be a playlist link in the description below. You can check that out as well. And that's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.